how to combine two separate videos as a single video in Android. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can play two videos as a single video. So let me show you how you can do this. So in order to merge, you can open any web browser of your choice like Google Chrome or simply the Google application, and then you will need to search for merge videos together free and then hit the search bar. Now it will give you some of the websites. Some are paid whereas some are unpaid. Applications or websites like Canva are free to use, but they will require you to sign up. So apart from these, you can also use other websites like Play-Doh. So let us try Play-Doh and see if it works or not. This says combine multiple videos, images and audio together. So let us choose the files. I'll click onto this blue icon and I'll pick up this one video right here, and then I will pick another video. Let's say this one. So I will select these two and then I will click onto this select option, and now you can see that it is uploading both of these files. So let us wait for them to get upload, and as you can see, once the uploading will be finished, we will be able to customize it further. And now you can see that after the uploading has been completed, it is pre-processing this. So let us wait for the pre-processing, and once that will be done, you will see an interface like this, and from here you can easily determine that which videos plays how. So if you'll play this, you can see that currently this video is being played, and once this video will be successfully played, the second Venice video will be played. So you can do it like this. Apart from that, if you want to change its order, you can do so like this by dragging and dropping. You can play the Venice video first and then the second video then. So then after you are done with this, you can click onto this export option, and it might take a while to the export, and once the export will be finished, you will be successfully able to download this. So simply wait for the exporting to get finished and you will get the download link like this. So from here you will click on to download and just wait for the download file, and you can see that the video has successfully started to get download, and it will be download like this, and you can play it to test it out as well. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.